Hey guys, welcome back. How you doing this fine morning? So good. So today we have a super easy project, but it's just something I need to cover. How to replace a headlight on a Jeep Wrangler YJ. Now these old headlights, you can't replace the bulb. They are a sealed unit. If you take a look at the back here, you can see the connectors. There's absolutely nowhere to replace the bulb. So fortunately, these aren't too expensive. You can find them at your auto parts store. Another option though is to go with an LED replacement, which I'll include a link in the description below of some LED options you can use for your YJ, which give it a cool look. And it's recommended to disconnect the battery. And we're going to disconnect the wire here just by pulling it off with a screwdriver here. And let's remove the bezel around the light here. Just 4 little screws. Now next, this little metal band around the light, this is a retainer, it has to come off. There's 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna take those out. So that's one thing I appreciate about working on these old Wranglers, that it's just kind of fun and they're fairly simple to work on. I mean, most of the repairs and maintenance and things, it's not that hard. Trying to record, so of course my neighbor brings out their leaf blower. Go figure. The struggles of making, videos. Still fun to hang out in the shop and get a little work done. And then with that, this band should come off, or your whole assembly might just come out in one piece. That's just a matter of taking our new bulb, reversing the process, hooking everything back up. Super easy. So, reason I'm doing this headlight replacement, I lost a screw. So I wanted to cover this headlight replacement before I remove the front grille here. Front grille, as opposed to the back grille. So anyways, I'm going to be taking this is on my Project 92 YJ here, and I'm kind of doing a complete rebuild on it. Where I'm going to be I'm going to take the front grille off here. I'm going to be removing the engine, doing like a complete overhaul on it. And as I go along, I'm just kind of covering projects of how to do things because, I don't know, I enjoy making videos. I enjoy hanging out in the shop, tinkering with things, so yeah, it's fun. So I've got the light installed, put the bezel back on here, and this headlight will be good to go. So for those of you that are following along with the rebuild as I'm going along here, I'm super close to removing the engine, but honestly, in video production, it's probably a month out still, because there's a few things I have to do, and yeah, I've got other responsibilities, full-time job, other things going on. But I'm getting real close. Like, all I have to do is remove, I'm gonna take the alternator out. Yeah, I gotta remove the alternator. The distributor cap is gonna come off, but the distributor Let's see, yeah, the distributor and that kind of stuff can stay. Manifold's off already. Got the radiator out of the way. I'm going to be removing the grill here on the front because it just makes it a lot easier once you have this whole front end open, and the grill comes off super easy. I'll cover that in another video here. But once the grill's off, then you've got this entire front end that the engine can just come right out super easy. But yeah, really all I have to do is take the alternator off and unbolt it from the transmission, get my cherry picker and pull it out of there. So that'll be exciting. That's not too far away. So anyways, that's headlight replacement. If there's any videos or things you want to see, like repairs, certain things you're facing, a lot of people leave comments below of, hey, do a video on this. And I love those ideas because you guys have a lot of great ideas. I appreciate it. Thank you. So as I'm going along here, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the project, how it's going. And if you have any ideas of things you'd like to see, let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.